Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to edit your bio on Discord using your PC, following the latest update. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you open Discord on your computer. You can either launch the desktop app or head to the web version. Once you're in, you should see the main interface. Next, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This gear icon represents your user settings, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your Discord experience. Now, in the settings menu, find and click on My Account. This section contains all your personal information and account settings. Once you're here, you'll see a summary of your Discord profile. To edit your bio, look for the button labeled Edit User Profile. Click on it and you'll open up new options for customizing your account even more. At this point, scroll down until you see the About Me section. Here's where the fun begins. You can write whatever you want to express yourself, share your interests, or even add a fun quote. Just type in your message, and don't forget to be creative. Once you're satisfied with your new bio, make sure to save your changes. Click the Save button at the bottom, and that's it. You've successfully updated your bio on Discord. It's that easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.